Hello everyone, welcome back to Teacher B channel. In today's lesson, we will be considering this geometry question. In the diagram, P, Q, R and S are points on the circle. This is our circle. P, Q, R and S are points on the circle with center O. This is our center. Angle QRS is equal to 5x degree. Angle QRS. Angle QRS equal to 5x degree. And also angle QOX equal to 6x plus 24 degree. Angle QOS equal to 6x plus 24 degree. Angle QOX equal to 6x plus 24 degree. The question now asks us to find angle QPX. Angle QPX. Angle QPX equal to unknown for now. From the diagram, our center angle QOX stands on arc QX. Also, our angle at the circumference QPS stand on arc QX. And according to center angle theorem, which says angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. So the theorem says our angle QOX is equal to 2 multiplied by angle QPX. Or in another words, we can say angle QPX equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by angle QOX. And our angle QOX is 6x plus 24 degree. So we can say angle QPX equal to 1 over 2 bracket 6x plus 24. So angle QPX equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by 6x. We are going to have 3x. 3x. 1 over 2 multiplied by 24. We are going to have 12 plus 12. In a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of two opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. Now in this diagram, our angle QPX plus angle QRX are equal to 180 degree. So mathematically, we can say angle QPX plus angle QRS equal to 180. Our angle QPX is 3x plus 12. Our angle QRX is given to us as 5x. So let us substitute them into this equation. 3x plus 12 plus 5x equal to 180. 3x plus 5x will give us 8x. 8x plus 12 equal to 180. Let us transpose 12 to the right hand side. and the positive sign will change to negative. So 8x equal to 180 minus 12. 8x equal to 180 minus 12 will give us 168. So for us to calculate x, let us divide both sides by 8 over 8 over 8. 8x divided by 8, we are going to have x equal to, and 168 divided by 8, we are going to have 21. So the value of our x is 21. But don't forget, the question asks us to find the angle QPX. So, and we have already calculated that our angle QPS is equal to 3x plus 12. So let us substitute the value of x into this equation in order to determine the value of angle QPS. Angle QPS equal to 3 multiplied by our x is 21. 21 plus 12. Angle QPS equal to 3 multiplied by 21 will give us 63. 63 plus 12. Angle QPX equal to 63 plus 12 will give us 75 degree. 75 degree. That means the correct answer is option A, which is 75 degree. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.